Hey guys, this is Anali and I am back with a new tutorial. This tutorial we would be discussing one of the problem regarding the equilibrium. So guys, before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon to get the notification about the newly uploaded videos. So the problem here is mentioned. It consists of the two smooth cylinders which are connected by a string AB of the length 40 centimeter. Each of the cylinder having the weight of 1000 Newton and the radius is 15 centimeter. And there is a third cylinder having the weight of the 2000 Newton and radius 15 centimeter as shown. We need to determine the force in the string AB and the reaction at the contact points, that is point D and E. So this is our task which we need to perform. So first of all, let us find the angle with the vertical. So for that we need to join these two points AC and CB. Okay. Let us drop a perpendicular. So name it as F. This point is G and this point is H. Okay. AG is given as 15 centimeter and GC is also given as 15 centimeter. From this we can determine as AC is equals to AG plus GC, that is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, and let this angle be theta. So sine of theta is equals to AF divided by AC, and AF is nothing but 20 centimeter. So 20 divided by 30. So from this we can determine theta equals to sine inverse of 2 by 3, that is equals to 41.8 degree. So this theta is equals to 41.8 degree. Similarly this will be also theta only and its value would be equal to 41.8 degree. Now we are considering this cylinder to be in equilibrium having the weight of 2000 Newton. So we are drawing first the cylinder. We are actually drawing the free body diagram. This is C, and this is the self weight of 2000 Newton. Okay, there will be a reaction coming from the cylinder A to the cylinder C. We are naming it as RAC. Similarly, the reaction would be coming from B on C due to the contact point. So we are naming it as RBC. Okay, we know this angle as theta. This angle is also found to be theta. Now there are three forces and they are concurrent, so we can easily apply the Lami's principle. So applying the Lami's principle, we are getting 2000 divided by sine of angle between these two, that is 41.8 plus 41.8, which is equals to RAC divided by sine of angle between these two, that is 90 plus 90 minus 41.8, which is equals to RBC divided by sine of 90 plus 90 minus 41.8. Okay, so from this we can determine RAC as 1341.42 Newton. Similarly RBC would be equals to 1341.42 Newton only. Okay, so RAC is equals to RBC. Now we are considering this cylinder, that is A, to be in equilibrium. We are drawing the free body diagram of the cylinder A. So there is a self weight of 1000 Newton. Also there will be the reaction due to the contact which would be coming from the cylinder C to cylinder A, and its magnitude would be equals to RAC only. So we are naming it as RAC only. Actually this would be RCA, but RCA would be equals to RAC, so we are naming it as RAC only. Also there would be the force in the string. We are considering the nature of the force here as F, like this one. Okay, and the reaction from the point D in the upward direction, so this would be RD. Now there are more than three forces, so we cannot apply the Lami's principle. We are applying the condition of equilibrium. So let us apply the condition of equilibrium as sigma Fx equals to 0. So RAC sine of theta, this angle is theta, okay, minus RAC sine of theta, plus F, that is equals to 0. So from this, F is equals to RAC is equals to 1341.42 into sine of 41.8. Okay, so F would be equals to 894.1 Newton. So the force in the string would be 894.1 Newton, and it will be of the same nature only, as the answer is found to be positive. Now applying sigma Fy equals to 0, upward force positive, downward force negative. So minus 1000 plus Rd minus RAC into cos of theta, that would be equals to 0. Okay, from this Rd can be given by RAC, that is 1341.42 into cos of 41.8 plus 1000, so it will be nearly equals to 2000 Newton. Okay, now we are considering all the three cylinders simultaneously to be in equilibrium, so we need to consider only the external forces. We don't need to consider any internal forces. So we are considering these three cylinders simultaneously to be in equilibrium. So it will be, the free body diagram would be somewhat like this. There would be the self weight of each cylinder. This is 2000 Newton, this is 1000 Newton, similarly this is 1000 Newton. Also there would be a reaction at a point D and E, so this is Rd and this is Re. Now we will be applying the condition of equilibrium as sigma Fy equals to 0, upward force positive, downward force negative. So minus 2000 minus 1000 minus 1000 plus Rd plus Re, that would be equals to 0. So from this Rd that we have determined as 2000 Newton, so Re can be also given as 2000 Newton only. We can also determine it from the symmetry of the figure. So guys, that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, to comment in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching this video.